How to join a team in Once Human. Hello everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Gaming for Beginners. And in this video, we are gonna learn how you can join into a team or a hive in Once Human game using your Android or iOS device. First things first, to get started, launch open the Once Human game on your device and log in. Make sure you're inside the game world, and once you're in, go ahead and tap on the menu button at the top right corner, this one over here, and then this will open up the expanded option where you need to click on Hive. Now under Hive, click on Find Hive button on the left hand side. You'll be able to see a list of Hive menu. You'll see available public hives. You can go ahead and select the hive in order to check the members info, message board, etc. To apply to a hive, go ahead and select the hive you want to join into and click on Apply at the bottom right. Then you will be able to send the hive join-in request. Once accepted, you'll officially become the part of the hive. You can then play together, share objectives, coordinate base buildings and missions. So that is how you can easily join into a hive on Once Human. Remember, you can only join in to one hive at a time. Being in a hive makes missions and survival much easier. You can also communicate with hive members, which improves your teamwork. So that is how you can easily join into a hive or a team in Once Human. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.